you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever.
So we're up early this morning as usual. As we're up about 4:30, we've drove down to Carlisle Beach in Antigua to try and get some shots. I'm going to get the drone up and see what I can get in terms of shots. We'll go from there.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
I can see like a whole shape of the camera on the inside through the elements.
So guys, this is Joe. Joe is an awesome YouTuber and photographer. Does, what you say, street photography?
Yeah,
would be your
mostly,
speciality?
it's just like mostly street and urban stuff. So being in a location like this is a bit alien to me. I mean, obviously I've been to places like this, but I never really come away with shots as such. So I'm interested to see what you guys are making.
He's also a tech man, I would say. You can see from all the gear.
Yeah, I'm a bit of a
If you
tech
need
guy.
any advice on tech, definitely check out his channel.
Thanks, yeah.
Sean thinks he's a wizard.
I am Harry Potter.
It is 1.5 kilometers away.
Wow.
It's updated, yeah.
This is disconnected though, even though it's half the distance.
Can we sit in the air yet?
No. Sure, it'll be fine.
I'm always glad to see other people having drone problems and it's not just me.
It's actually a little bit worrying that it's disconnected for quite a long time now.
Yeah.
It's fine, it will always come back.
Do you know where he is?
I almost pressed land instead of return to home. Return to home. Because it's still disconnected.
There you go, push it.
You got the...
Yeah, no, this will be fine. Once now I've got it on fast, I can get back easier.
You're going that way.
Which one is it?
That one, over there, behind the
I'm
hut.
disconnected as well.
Behind the hut. So I'll go more...
Bermuda Triangle over there.
I just got disconnected.
Where's yours? Oh shit. I'll
It
go
won't
to the
let
beach
me.
and run. No, it doesn't let you at low battery. Oh shit, it's landing, Tom. It's landing.
Tom is landing.
Shit. Oh, get up.
This is like
Yellow beach.
made a crash beach landing.
The guy with the hut is walking.
This is the scariest thing ever.
Scary.
So that was a bit stressful. I just flew my drone all the way out to the boats out there, about 1.5 kilometers, and it lost signal. And the signal wouldn't come back on again. And when it did, it was on about 8% battery. And it was landing at about 5 meters above the sea, and I was flying at 60 kilometers an hour back to the beach. And it literally just kind of crash landed into the beach. It's actually fine, which is a bit of a miracle.
What am I supposed to say?
So this is Kim.
Hi.
Kim.
Yeah, hi.
Kim takes beautiful pictures of, well, all sorts really, but she is famous for her car. Show us your car, Kim. She takes photos of these little cars in all really cool places, on the beach, in the water.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd just come and tell you a bit about what we're up to. So this whole trip to Antigua's with Traverse is a mini conference, as they call it. So there's a couple of like talks by different influencers and about marketing and business. But really what it's about is a press trip. It's with the Antiguan Tourist Board, and we're out here just to create content for them really. it's not my usual style, and it's challenging for me to sort of get photos that fit in with my landscape and adventure style, but I'm enjoying the challenge and I'm looking forward to seeing what I can create over the next week. Look at this beach! You don't get many beaches that are this perfect colour.
You don't have to.
Yeah, I've been playing around with the GoPro trying to take a photo in the tube of a wave. I say tube, the waves are about 10 centimetres high. But I saw a photographer who got some really cool photos like right inside a tube in a very small wave. So I've been trying to get some slow-mo footage, but I can't really see how it's coming out. So it'll be interesting to see.
It's like you're trying to catch a fish.
I was trying to do a photo, but it's too difficult. So to get the timing right, so I'm just doing 4K video and then feel it's cool. Last day in Antigua. I've had a really good time here, and I've met a lot of other really talented photographers, YouTubers, bloggers. I found it really inspiring to hang around with these people for a week. So we're just going to spend this last afternoon flying the drone a little bit more, seeing what we can get, and then tonight we've got a bit of the party, and then back home tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing a little bit behind this trip, and let me know if you've got any questions at all. Check out my Instagram below if you'd like to follow along to some of the photos and see some more of them, or look at my blog post, and I'll see you next week.